Let's go ahead and start. So now that it is started up, let's go ahead and join Exploited Marina non-FE. See you guys when I'm in. Let's hope it doesn't crash again. Let's go ahead and inject it. Okay, the exploit crashed. That's fine. By the way, when you inject my exploits and pretty much every exploit using the WeAreDevs API, it is pretty much the most known API. So yeah, it pretty much crashes, and sometimes it even kicks you from the server when you try and inject it. Guys, it's really popular, and also today's Thursday, and Roblox updated. They update like every Thursday or something. So that is a good sign. No Roblox crash. Yes, guys, it didn't crash on me. It didn't not respond on me, guys. It's still working. So as you guys can see, Sparkles worked. Look at that, guys. I should add little buttons right here. Everything works, and I will go through every single one of them. May crash once again, but it'll be okay. Just for you guys. So B-tools, as you can see, give me B-tools. Let me just walk around so this force field's gone, okay? Force field. Boom, gave me a force field. Fire, give me fire. Smoke, give me smoke. Sparkles, and kill yourself. So, yeah, if you guys want me to publish it, let you guys download it, why not? Robo commands, bam, you are cool. I could publish banana if you want. I don't think the exploit is actually called banana though. I think it is. I don't remember what it was called, but yeah, robo commands. Bro, wait. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm getting tongue twisted. If y'all want it, go ahead, comment in the description, and yeah, I'll do a tutorial on how to make an exploit too, if you guys want me to do that. So hope y'all enjoy. See y'all in the next video. Peace.